Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I just want to give a quick shout out to Tia Bella. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video and I just want to say thank you for all of your support. So today we're going to be doing some, I call these medium length French tip nails. First we're going to go in with some square up. These are full nail covers. These are ABS plastic and I purchased these by, I believe the brand is called Nails Cat. But yeah, they're really nice. I love the shape of them. They're C-curve nails, so if you don't like C-curve nails, then you probably won't like these. But I love a good C-curve, and I will definitely leave the link down below. All I'm doing is sizing them out to the size of my nails. And then here, all I'm doing is taking this cutter. This is a measurement cutter that I purchased off of Amazon. And I'm just cutting them because these are 2XLs. So I went on the back side because they're so long that if I cut them from the front side, it would be too short. But yeah, if that makes sense. So now I'm going in with some Gershon Polygel. This is in shade, I believe, 004. And I'm just taking a small amount. I'm starting at the cuticle area and I'm making sure that that is thinner than the rest of my nails. All you want to make sure is that you spread it out evenly around your nail and thinner at the cuticle area. And you also want to make sure that you're hitting the size of the full nail cover as well. Because looking straight down, it looks like you got the full thing. But when you angle it from side to side, you want to make sure that you're covering both sides as well. So I'm just going to go ahead, pop that on, and then you can do multiple at a time if you want to eliminate the time that your hand is in that lamp. But yeah, just going to go in, cure that for about 30 seconds, and move on to the next. For my slip solution, also, I forgot to mention, I'm using 100%, 70% alcohol as my slip. I am selling UV fingerless gloves. I have them in the pink shade and the white shade. I'm going to be using the pink shade, and I know what you're thinking, like, why didn't you have those on when you put on your full nail cover? I know, I forgot. I'm human. I make mistakes. It just slipped my mind, but I love these because, as you can see, I had the white ones on earlier, and those ones don't have any grip to them. They loosen up, and these ones are like they're elastic, but they're not like suffering your hands tight, and they're pink. So I love them. If you guys are interested in purchasing, a link will be down below in the description box. Now I'm going in with a cuticle bit, and I'm just shaping up my cuticles a little bit. I'm doing this underneath, I'm doing this on top of a MelodySusie nail dust collector. And if you are interested in purchasing that, I do have a discount code for MelodySusie as well. This thing is a lifesaver, especially if you have like small kids and stuff and you don't want dust everywhere. I definitely 10 out of 10 recommend because it does suck all the dust in. So now I'm going in with a nail file, shaping up my nails, and then now we can get started with the design. So I did use the stamp method, but as you can see, I like messed the stamp up on my other hand. I completely like obliterated it. But I'm still going to go ahead and use it. I'm just going in and I'm buffing out the underneath of my nails because they are really sharp. So you want to make sure you buff them out. But all I'm doing is going in with some MAKARRT clear. I'm going in with some MAKARRT white nail polish. And it's the same method that I've been using in my other videos. You're just going to go in at an angle with the clear nail stamper. And then I just do a little swerve around. As you can see, there's that Shein double-ended brush I have over there. I just do a little bit of cleaning up with it, mostly just extending the smile line because I do like a deep smile line. And that's it, super easy. So I only did that on, I believe, 3 nails. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch me work. So now I'm going in with some clear polish. This is by Beetles, and I'm just going to top off my nails. So as you can see, I'm going in and I swipe the sides. I also did this with my French polish. I forgot to show you guys, but it makes the nails look way less bulky when you like swipe the sides of your nails, I'm realizing. So that's a cool little hack that I just kind of, I don't know, I just kind of did it one day and it looked great. So I'm going in now with some jewels. I purchased these off of Amazon and these are in my Amazon storefront. So I find it easier to use this little green thing. You can use anything. And I'm basically just doing my design on the green thing. So all I have to do is put the gel on and just go, you know, instead of like putting the gel on, looking for the stones, I just do my designs right there, if that makes sense. And as you can see, the underneath of my nails are extremely dirty, but don't worry about that. We're going to clean it up later. I'm using some Beetles nail rhinestone glue. You can use the Beetles one or the MAKARRT one. They're really good. And I'm just putting it on where I want my stones to go. And like I said, just putting on my stones. So it's super easy. I'm just going to let you guys watch me do my placement and I will be right back. So here's the final look really quickly. My camera died, but I filed my nails up a little bit, and then I went in with my MelodySusie cordless nail drill, and I just filed the underneath of them so the white polish wasn't there. And I also went in and buffed the underneath of my nails again, just to make sure that they weren't sharp, because that's the worst when your nails snag to your clothes. And here I'm just spraying some alcohol on my fingernails. Now I'm going in with some cuticle oil, and I'm just, oops, did you see that? That could have been really bad. But yeah, I'm just going in with some cuticle oil and finishing off my nails. This is like my favorite part. And here are the final results. I'm so in love with these nails. These are definitely one of my favorites. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. The giveaway winner for the 10K giveaway will be picked in the next video. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you have my post notifications on, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!